Imagine a world where desktop computing reaches a threshold so extreme that it completely renders separate computer towers, clutter, and thermal throttles obsolete. Whispers from inside Cupertino have officially exploded into a full-scale leak storm, confirming that Apple is preparing to resurrect a legendary product line with hardware capabilities so monstrous it threatens to redefine professional workstations forever. We're talking about the long-awaited, highly anticipated return of the 32-inch iMac Pro, a machine engineered to shatter every performance ceiling previously set by the Mac Studio and the M-series lineup. For years, creative professionals, 3D animators, software engineers, and heavy video editors have been forced to choose between sleek all-in-one aesthetics and uncompromising workstation power. But internal software builds, supply chain manifests, and high-level insider reports confirm that Apple is bridging this massive divide with an all-in-one behemoth built specifically for high-compute workflows. The engine powering this monster is none other than Apple's groundbreaking silicon architecture, specifically configured around the high-octane M5 Max and ultra-exclusive M5 Ultra chips. Built using advanced, ultra-dense semiconductor nodes, these chips are engineered to deliver insane multi-threaded processing speeds, featuring up to an 18-core CPU layout with dedicated high-performance supercores. But CPU metrics are only a fraction of this story. The real story lies in the massive leap in graphics processing and artificial intelligence acceleration. Each GPU core inside the M5 Max and M5 Ultra architecture comes directly equipped with dedicated neural accelerators, boosting machine learning and local AI processing speeds by up to 400% compared to previous iterations. Imagine running massive multi-billion parameter language models locally, rendering dense ray-traced 3D environments in real time, or manipulating multiple streams of uncompressed 8K raw footage without hearing a single sound from the cooling fans. To keep this massive processing power from overheating inside an ultra-thin chassis, Apple's engineering team has completely redesigned the internal thermal architecture. Gone are the standard heat pipes and basic fan configurations of standard consumer desktops. Instead, leaks point toward an advanced, industrial-grade vapor chamber cooling subsystem coupled with dual high-static pressure liquid-bearing fans. This cooling design pulls cool air silently through lower perimeter intakes, passes it across high-density copper fins, and exhausts heat out through discrete rear vents, keeping the internal temperatures completely stabilized even under continuous, heavy multi-hour render sessions. This thermal setup allows the M5 Max and M5 Ultra chips to run at their maximum boosted clock frequencies continuously, eliminating performance throttling under heavy workloads. Moving to the front of the machine, the display panel is where Apple is setting a brand new industry standard. Internal reports reveal a massive 32-inch Tandem OLED Retina XDR display boasting an ultra-crisp 6K resolution. By stacking two organic light-emitting diode layers, this display achieves an astonishing peak HDR brightness of up to 1600 nits, alongside infinite contrast ratios and perfect deep blacks. Add to that a silky smooth 120 Hz promotion variable refresh rate and full P3 wide color gamut coverage, and you get a canvas that completely eliminates the need for expensive dedicated reference monitors. Apple is also bringing its signature anti-reflective nanotexture glass option to this display, making glare, reflections, and harsh ambient studio lighting completely non-existent for colorists and design professionals. Designing a display of this caliber requires an equally impressive aesthetic chassis. According to leaked render schematics, the new iMac Pro drops the bright, pastel colors of the standard 24-inch consumer models in favor of a dark, professional space black anodized aluminum. Enclosure. The display bezels have been shaved down to razor-thin proportions, giving the screen an edge-to-edge floating appearance on your desk. The entire chassis measures an ultra-slim 11 millimeters in depth, supported by an industrial-grade precision-tuned aluminum stand that offers effortlessly smooth height and tilt adjustments. Connectivity is another critical area where Apple is refusing to compromise. Unlike minimalist consumer setups, the upcoming iMac Pro is engineered as a true studio hub. Leaks reveal a comprehensive I/O array located along the rear and side edges, featuring up to 4 Thunderbolt 5 ports capable of delivering blistering data transfer rates of up to 120 gigabits per second. This means you can hook up multiple external 8K high refresh rate displays, fast external NVMe storage arrays, and high-speed PCI expansion chassis simultaneously without running into bandwidth limits. The machine also packs a high-speed 10 gigabit Ethernet port built directly into the power brick, an SDXC card slot for fast media ingestion, and a studio-grade high-impedance headphone jack for professional audio monitoring. Speaking of audio and media creation, Apple has overhauled the entire built-in media subsystem. Embedded inside the top bezel is an updated 12-megapixel center stage camera equipped with advanced hardware-level low-light processing and desk view support, ensuring you look crystal clear on professional calls and video streams. The audio hardware consists of a studio-quality 3-microphone array with beamforming technology to isolate your voice and cancel out background room noise completely. That is paired with an immersive 6-speaker audio setup featuring force-canceling woofers and high-performance tweeters, delivering spatial audio with Dolby Atmos support that easily rivals dedicated desktop studio monitors. Memory and storage configurations on this machine reach unprecedented levels for an all-in-one desktop setup. Configurations start at 64 gigabytes of high-bandwidth unified memory, with top-tier builds offering up to an incredible 128 gigabytes of unified memory, boasting bandwidth numbers exceeding 800 gigabytes per second. This massive memory pool is shared seamlessly between the CPU, GPU, and neural engine, allowing creative software to load massive 3D scenes, uncompressed audio libraries, and complex AI models directly into memory instantly. Storage speeds have also been doubled, with solid-state drive read and write performance reaching speeds of up to 14.5 gigabytes per second, available in configurations starting at 1 terabyte all the way up to 8 terabytes of internal storage. On the software front, the iMac Pro is built to fully unlock the power of macOS Tahoe and Apple's deep system-level AI frameworks. With dedicated neural accelerators embedded directly into the silicon cores, local machine learning models run effortlessly without needing to transmit sensitive data off your device or rely on cloud processing.